Rich color, beautiful blends, blooms, and water bleeds. And don't forget the splatter. You gotta have the splatter. We're talking about messy watercolor painting, but not like you've always known it. This time it's digital, and this time it's a game changer. My name is Tila, and in this course, we're giving messy watercolor painting a whole new meaning. In Messy Watercolors in Procreate, you'll learn how to replicate traditional messy watercolor digitally, and then we'll add on skills, techniques, and methods as the course progresses to capitalize on all the advantages we have of painting digitally. Everything is step-by-step and beginner-friendly. You'll be able to follow along even if you've never painted with watercolors before. On top of having no mess when you're painting, we have other advantages too, like the 2-tap undo to make mistakes literally disappear. Layering elements so you can adjust one part of your painting without affecting nearby elements, recoloring on the fly, adjusting saturation and vibrancy is not possible with traditional pigments, and another little thing that's a really big thing, blend modes, or the ability to affect how colors blend with the colors underneath them. All of these combined allow us to have limitless control over an otherwise difficult medium. With a 200+ brush set included with your enrollment, you have everything you need to paint 7 delicious eye candy watercolor pieces, and you'll be prepared to paint any subject you'd like in the future. But we won't stop there. In the bonus print module, I'll share all of my best tips for printing your artwork at home or by using online print services. For at-home printing, I'll share my favorite home printer, the best paper type for at-home prints, how to do test prints, and adjust saturation levels non-destructively, as well as an adjustable recoloring method. For online printing services, I'll share my experiences, what the different upload processes look like, and how to closely match color when you send your artwork off. In Messy Watercolors in Procreate, you have all the supplies you need at the tap of a stylus. Cleanup consists of just tapping your lock button, and you're already in the format you need to print your work. So hit enroll to paint and print stunning messy watercolors in Procreate.